Business Bites, powered by Sagicor. Hello, I'm Cody Barrett with the Jamaica Observer's Business Bites for Thursday, November 10. David Cummings, Vice President and Head of Real Estate at Cygnus Real Estate, has acknowledged the widespread hesitancy among real estate investors in light of increasing input factors. In an interview with the Jamaica Observer, Mr. Cummings revealed that Cygnus has encountered numerous challenges in construction due to the concurrent rise in construction cost, financing expenses, input material prices, and land cost. All these factors have surpassed inflation levels, posing a significant obstacle to the creation of successful financial models.
And when you find the land component of the cost structure gets beyond a certain percentage, it gets very, very difficult for you to make money. When you also find that the cost of construction has gone up 20, 30, 40%, the cost of certain materials, the main components have all been increasing. Cost of insurance has gone up, cost of security has also doubled.
Mr. Cummings emphasized that these combined factors make it challenging to generate profits, prompting Cygnus Real Estate to make tough decisions and walk away from certain projects.
Based on the price of the land and what we will be allowed to build on it, it's just no way at all that you're going to make money there. So you have to walk away, and we have walked away, quite a bit from opportunities because of the sheer numbers just don't make sense.
EduFocal has taken a $153 million hit related to monies owed for more than 90 days. The company clarified that while this reflects anticipated credit losses, it doesn't imply that all receivables are uncollectible, leaving room for potential reversals if collectability improves. The annual report also disclosed a $22 million increase in administrative and operating expenses for 2022, driven by the acquisition of Clever School Teacher, a monthly subscription service specifically tailored for K-1 teachers in the United States. It contributed $7 million, constituting 62% of the expense rise. In response to cost flow challenges from outstanding receivables, EduFocal secured additional financing, resulting in higher year-over-year finance-related cost of $28.74 million in 2022. EduFocal's long-term debt stood at $228.75 million, primarily financed through a loan from Mayberry Investments Limited, which matures in 2029. That's it for the Jamaica Observer's Business Bites for today. I'm Cody Barrett. Thanks for watching.